Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for downloading something, and we will download the updates today. And I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something and using too much internet data. So after the internet connection, enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on the circle. Of course, you will be able to see it only if you will log in. So first of all, you have to do that and then tap on it. Now let's enter Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of currently installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available to check those which we can download. And as you can see here, we've got the list, and basically all you have to do is to simply mark the one you'd like to update. So let me pick the Chrome and, for example, the calendar. And after picking as many apps as you want, it can be only one app or even all of them. Simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates. After that, it will be successfully installed and automatically update the app. So basically, from this moment, you don't really have to do anything more. Your device will do it for yourself. So basically, that's all. This is how to update the apps in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.